3/4 cups water.
Right?
Yeah, you can see me. And you fill it up with milk, so it's, there we go. 1 tablespoon of butter, and it goes 1 teaspoon of salt.
Are you making it for your brother, Uncle D?
Yeah, one day you're gonna learn how to make all this bread and stuff. And 1 of sugar, and get it just a little warm, not very hot, just like your body temperature, maybe like a degree above your body temperature. You don't want to pass yourself, because once you pass yourself, then you've got to cool it down, and that takes some time, just waiting and putting it in the fridge and stuff. So just barely warm it. Test it with your finger. And here we have the yeast. Thank you. We're gonna give it a little stir. Okay, I'm gonna give it just a minute. Move you to the other side. So we've got 2 cups of flour in there. We'll go a little more. We'll go like almost to 2 1/4. And we'll leave our flour bag right there. We've got Lencho here helping us to make this bread. And goes our liquid. Some people, or I've read in some recipes, they put yogurt and other things like that instead of the milk, but you can use whatever you want. And instead of the butter, you can also use olive oil or whatever. It depends on what you're making and what you think would sound good. You keep mixing that, Lencho, please. It's hard, yeah. It's hard. You gotta get really strong before you can do these kind of things.
I'm super strong already.
No, you gotta be a little stronger, like Daddy.
But, oh yeah, I'm strong as Godzilla.
So we're gonna start kneading.
I'm strong as Godzilla, puppy.
I don't wanna mess up the bread that we're making for Uncle D, to see how to make a naan bread. Or for anybody, I'm gonna post this on YouTube, and you can just see how to do this. We'll get all these little crumbs out of here. Stuff that sticks, just scrape it off as best you can.
I'm gonna put this little pedacito and
yeah, get all that you can there. It's not like you have to be super delicate. You just keep kneading it and kneading it for about 10 minutes at the most. You just get a really nice smooth yeast, dough. And you don't want it to be too dry and hard. You want to keep that it's kind of soft and, a little bit sticky, but it's not sticking to your hands. Your hands, they get pretty well floured, and you keep the board well floured. And it's got plenty of flour right now. It's got just the right amount. You just gotta keep putting very little on the board so it doesn't stick there, and a little on your hands. You'll feel it.
now they're kind of.
Thank you very much. Are you gonna try this?
Yeah.
Okay, flour up your hands and try it. Try to do the movement I was doing, this one.
Okay.
You have to cuff it up over and then push it down in, and not like super hard. Don't be afraid. No, don't just move it around like plastic. You have to grab it like a rubber ball.
Okay.
Move around like a rubber ball, like if you were playing with those slimes or whatever. That's better. Good. Turn it like that. Don't put more dough on it. You always want to show the next generation how to do it from a early age. This is about to make one loaf of bread. You could take that and put it in. when I was in university, about 25, 26 years old. You can make this into a loaf of bread, just let it rise. And this is about ready to let rise.
Can we sell those, Papi? Can we put a store here in our house and sell those?
That would be an idea. And we're gonna let it rise right here in this dish. We're just gonna put a little oil so it doesn't stick, in case it has any soft spots. Here, let me see it, Lencho. There it goes in the dish. And we're gonna let it rise for about
20 seconds?
No, it's gonna be about another 10 minutes to let it rise. About. I'll leave you here checking it out. Get the air out of it. Feel good. Just like another minute in there. Okay. Now this next part, we're gonna cut it up. I think this will make about 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to distribute it even. Maybe we can even make 5. 2. Flour it very well because we're going to be pushing it kind of hard. They stick really easy if you don't have enough flour. So don't worry so much about putting flour on it. Rather a little more flour than have it stick all over. And here you want to roll them out pretty thin. That's pretty good. One more here, one more there. Here, try to make it. And then you do that with all your little balls. Here are my Tic Tacs. You do that with all your little balls, and then we're gonna make a little pizza. Don't use too much sauce. I made the sauce yesterday. Don't use too much because if not, your pizza's really runny, and I don't like that either. And then on the other, we'll just use a little bit. Sometimes combining cheeses can be pretty good. And you can either make a plain cheese, just like this. Oh, look at this big bowl over here. I'm gonna show you. Woohoo! That's gonna be a good one. Nice and thin. Okay, so back over here to the pizza. We'll make a vegetarian and ended up with some peppers and pineapple. And there we go. Ready for the oven. There we go. Your own homemade pizza. And there it is. Baked. Yummy. And I'm ready to eat. Okay guys, brothers Mark and D, I love you guys. I hope we're out of this pandemic stage and we can get back together soon. Really love you guys. Take care. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments or call me up.